Dear soul painting sisters and brothers all over the world. When you are painting, do you sometimes then feel that this part of the painting, oh, I don't like it, let's do something. Is it? And then you get into that part, and that part gets more worse. Have you experienced that? This is very funny. Here in the soul painting atelier, when people come, then they very often so see 80% of this painting is good, but they get into the 20% negative in that painting and try to to change that negative, and it get more worse, and they're getting unsatisfied, more and more. So this is a very good suggestion. I hope it's a very good suggestion for you. If you are in that process, and it doesn't matter if you are in that process in painting or in any other task in your life. So if this is like that, don't pay attention to the negative part that is only very small. Just pay attention to that 80% positive. That means in your painting, get further on with this 80%, and then automatically the 20% negative, what you feel it's not looking good and I have to do something against it, let it be. And it will turn when you get into the positive attitude. So try it, and also with other aspects in your life. Try it. It is very it is an adventure, and it's great. So this little suggestion I wanted to make to you today, and I wish you a very wonderful day with positivity and being satisfied and gratitude for that day. And you know that today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. And one more time, today's a great day, I'm happy. This I wish for all you lovely creative beings, that you are happy. If you like it, subscribe, why not? And also there are more goodies and freebies exclusive for you on happysoul.com.